Hey, I'm Steve. Today we're looking at the SMC50A, the side mount aluminum reservoir from Byers Products. This reservoir is a fantastic lightweight solution for a truck mounted hydraulic system. The cylindrically designed aluminum shell matches most fuel tanks and looks like a natural extension of your truck. So you get that clean, coordinated appearance without sacrificing functionality. This reservoir holds 50 gallons of fluid. Let's take a closer look at the measurements. It's 24 inches in diameter and 27.5 inches long. Measuring from the base of the reservoir to the top of the cap is 26.5 inches. The straps, not factoring in the rubber lining, measure about 2 inches in width. There are 2-inch MPT suction return ports on each end of the tank and a 1/2-inch MPT drain port on the bottom. The protective plastic film you see here on the sides of the reservoir help maintain the tank's aluminum finish during shipment. It's generally peeled off before the tank is installed. The tank itself is made of durable 11-gauge aluminum. A filler breather unit with a basket strainer is included to keep contaminants and debris out of the hydraulic fluid. The mounting brackets and straps are also included for easy installation. The steel saddle-type mounting brackets wrap around the bottom of the tank to give additional stability and support. They're powder-coated black for enhanced corrosion resistance. Thanks for checking out the SMC50A, the side mount aluminum reservoir from Byers Products.